Alright, my friends, good day to you, to everyone. Shout out to all my friends in YouTube land. Shout out to all my supporters, all families around the world. It is that time of the year again. It is Christmas time. Yes, I am in my cooking lab on the Winston Cooking and Discovery TV. Yes, today I will be cooking up, yes, a very delicious, tasty turkey for Christmas. Today is Christmas Eve, very, very early in the morning. It's about 8 a.m. or just past 8. I'm in the kitchen getting this dish ready. Yes, to go into the oven. Yes. So here's my turkey. This is not a chicken. Yes, this is a big turkey. Yes, this is what I will be cooking here today. And those are all my ingredients over there, ready and waiting. Yes, I have carrots, I have potatoes, yes, then assorted bell peppers, tomatoes and scallion, and red and white onion and hot pepper, garlic and bell pepper will be blended together to give me a blend that I will be using as part of my stuffing, along with some fresh Indian rice. Yes, straight from India. Right here. It says India, straight from India. Yes, I'll be putting the raw rice, uncooked rice, inside of the turkey with a mixture of seasoning. Yes, and bake the turkey, roast the turkey in the oven. So my blender is waiting for me to drop the seasoning in and to blend them up and to get going. And those are all my ingredients. Chicken broth, yes, olive oil, ketchup, A1 sauce, black pepper, basil leaf, sea salt, cranberry sauce, which goes with turkey. When you finish cooking, slice it up, and that's part of the serving. And those are garlic and onion and turmeric and butter and assorted blend of seasoning in a package here. That will be part of the mixture that will be going inside of the turkey. Yes. And so when this is finished, this will be one delicious, tasty Christmas turkey that, yes, I'll be putting together. So you'll have the opportunity to see this on an upcoming live stream near you. Alright, I have some sausage on the stove. These also will be going inside of the turkey as part of the turkey stuffing. These will add flavors and tastes, yes, to the final product of the turkey. You're watching this on the Winston Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, my friends, so I'm going to get these ready. The seasoning ready for the blender. Yes, I'm going to blend these to create a paste that will be mixed with the rice, with the uncooked rice, and also other seasoning like the stuffing. The stove stuffing, I have cornbread, and I have chicken flavor. Yes, all of that will be mixed together to go on the inside of the turkey to give it a wonderful flavor, fragrance, and taste. Yes, and you can stay around the world wherever you are and smell it. So when you smell something nice, delicious, and wonderful, it's Winston Cooking and Discovery in the kitchen. Alright. So all of this start going on. So, okay, my friends. So this video will be about how to cook. Yes, how to cook a turkey. The proper way of cooking a turkey, my way, the Winston gel cooking and Discovery TV way. Yes, how to cook a turkey with my own unique creations, my own recipes. So, with my own unique style of cooking and my unique blend of seasoning, yes, that I will be fusing together, yes, to complete this assignment here in my cooking lab. So, I am in phase 1, part 1 of this cooking journey. Cooking this Christmas turkey, yes, for dinner. And this turkey will be distributed to some friends that are working in a nearby supermarket. Yes, so they will get lunch today. Surprise Christmas Eve lunch today. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. So without further ado, so this is the garlic and bell peppers and onions. I'm going to blend that with some olive oil and then start putting everything together real quickly and then get it into the oven without any more delays. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So here's the blend. That is the garlic. Yes, my friends, that is the garlic. That's the garlic and the onions and the hot pepper. You're seeing this on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. This rice comes with its own bag. Yes, with a zip. Alright, I have to cut through this part. This rice is well packaged together. This is the bag, a zip bag that it came with. And it has a special bag with the rice on the inside. So that's what the grain of the rice looks like. Yes, special rice, that's what it looks like. So that's going on the inside of the turkey. And as well, I'm going to cook some rice and peas today with this as well. Yes. Alright, my friends. This is the rice that is going inside along with some of these stuffings and the seasoning. So there's some scallion, and tomatoes that are going on the inside. I'm not using all the scallion, using some of the scallion. So tomatoes, all of this is going on the inside. And as well, some bell peppers. Watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Yes, here in my cooking lab. This is part 1, phase 1 of the cooking journey of the Christmas turkey that I'm cooking in my cooking lab. Alright, I'm adding also some potatoes in it. Yes. It's going to be a unique type of stuffing I'm creating here and going on the inside. Yes. All of these are cooked from the juice of the turkey. This is some chicken stuffing. Just minced bread, actually. This one is cornbread. This one is made from cornbread. All of this will be going inside of the turkey. You're watching this on the Winston Gel cooking and discovery on the YouTube platform. So we have Indian rice, yes, very, very, very particular special rice. Right, sliced up Irish and Idaho potatoes. We have tomatoes, we have bell peppers, assorted bell peppers, and we have scallion. All right, now I'm going to add some chicken spice. Yes, add some chicken spice. Yes, so I'm going to turkey spice or chicken spice. You're watching this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Probably won't use any salt. Just the spices, and that should do it. Yes. That's all of this is going inside. And then I have a special sauce to blend that I made from onions and garlic and bell peppers. Okay. Alright, all these are going inside. So it's going to be flavored from inside out. So once you start smelling the flavors, then you know that the turkey is ready. It's cooked. Alright, so I'm going to add some beef stew seasoning. Yes, beef stew seasoning. Blend. It's all about the flavor, it's all about the taste, it's all about the fragrance. Yes. It's all about that. Alright, that's enough for that. Alright, now I need to get some black pepper. Alright, it's my black pepper. You hear me seasoning because of the black pepper. Alright, so I add all that powder seasoning in. So, alright, I don't need to add any more powder seasoning because I have a bowl ready with some onion puree and garlic puree. Yes, ready to go. Right now, I'm gonna add my sausage. These sausage are fried. Yes, they're going on the inside of the turkey. Right. Now, here comes the sauce. Puree sauce. You're watching the Winston Tale Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, my friends, so I'm ready now. I'm going to start putting some color on the exterior of the turkey now that I've mixed the mixture, the stuffing that is going on the inside. Yes, so here I have onions, onion puree that I blended, garlic, bell pepper, yes, bell peppers, and hot pepper with olive oil. And in here I have fried sausage, special fried sausage that is going in here. I have tomatoes, I have scallion, yes, and I have assorted seasoning, special seasoning to give it the zing, the blast, the flavor that I need in order for this dish to taste dynamite. And also some sliced up Irish or Idaho potatoes in here as well. Some turkey stuffings and some cornbread stuffings. Yes, so this here, and some fresh Indian rice, imported Indian rice. Yes, so this is all that is going on the inside. Yes, so once the turkey is cooked, everything will be cooked and everything will be just fine. Alright, so I'm going to baste the turkey with some olive oil and some sazon coloring. Yes, to make it look very appealing and very desirable. You're watching this on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So this is phase 1, part 1 of the cooking journey.